Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate premix at home step by step. Combine cocoa, powdered milk, sugar, and salt in a large bowl. Whisk until fully blended and clump-free. Sift the mixture once for smooth texture, then stir in optional spices like cinnamon or nutmeg. Pack the premix into an airtight container and label with date for fresh flavor retention. In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate premix at home step by step. For flavor twists, test small batches by adding instant espresso, cinnamon, or flavored sugars and taste as you go. Remember that strong additions change sweetness balance, so adjust sugar accordingly. Keep notes on ratios that work best for you, then scale the recipe up or down and store extras in labeled jars for quick cozy drinks. In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate premix at home step by step. Quick recommendation: if you love tidy counters while you craft, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-free cleanup and voice control convenience. It's a fun helper when making messy mixes and saves time on cleanup so you can enjoy your drink sooner. If you like this tip, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate premix at home step by step. Scoop 3 tablespoons into a mug, pour 8 ounces of hot milk or water, then whisk until smooth and frothy for best texture. For creamier results, heat milk first and blend with a frother or small whisk. Top with whipped cream or marshmallows if desired, and enjoy a homemade treat anytime with minimal fuss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.